Day 8 prompt of the day. I'm going to show you how AI can take a write-up that's filled with deficit-based language and turn it into something that is more balanced using strength-based language without sugarcoating it. And I have to warn you, we're taking the prompts to the next level. Okay, we're at app.schoolsite.ai. Here's a pretty lengthy prompt. I'm going to put it in the description so you can see it. Jaden is lazy and unmotivated. He doesn't care about school and comes from one of those neighborhoods where nobody values education. His parents don't show up, so it's no surprise he's failing everything. He never puts in effort, gives up right away, and is a constant behavior problem. He distracts others, talks back to teachers, and brings the whole class down. Jaden just doesn't have what it takes academically or socially. So in this statement, there's so much deficit-based language. We're telling Sophia to identify phrases that reflect bias, low expectations, or deficit-based thinking. Then rewrite the description using a balanced, strength-based approach. And then we give it some more descriptions of what it should do. State facts, remove assumptions, use observations from the data, include actionable steps and resources that can support growth academically, socially, and behaviorally. Do not invent data or make up additional strengths. And then after the rewrite, explain the changes you made. We're going to hit submit, and then we'll let Sophia do her thing. All right, and in just a few seconds, we can see that we get a balanced strength-based description of Jaden. You can pause to read. Now, this is important because if we're not careful when we talk about being strength-based, we'll remove facts, and we don't want to remove facts, but we do want to be balanced in our approach. Now, here's where we start to see it being strength-based. Despite these challenges, Jaden demonstrates certain strengths. He is noted for his leadership among peers, as classmates tend to follow his lead. All right, gonna make sure that you can see that there. He actively participates in class discussions, displays a sense of humor, often making jokes. So we're pulling in all of the strength-based here. What I like is it says to support Jaden's growth, the following steps can be considered. And here's what you can do. And then it gives an explanation of the changes from the deficit-based statement and the strength-based statement. It says these statements were subjective, made assumptions about Jaden's background and family, and focused on his perceived shortcomings. Then it shows how the rewritten description addresses these issues. There you have it. In a matter of seconds, we move from deficit focus to strength-based focus. I'm posting the full prompt inside the description. Give this a try and let us know what you think.